Mercedes-Benz unveils AVTR-inspired self-driving electric car concept. Mercedes-Benz on Monday night unveiled AVTR, a self-driving electric car concept inspired by the 2009 sci-fi fantasy film Avatar at Tech Show SAE 2020 in Las Vegas. The concept car has no steering wheel or pedals, and the user can control the vehicle by touching the center console. The car can recognize the driver's pulse and breath. How will digital photo voter slips with QR codes for Delhi Assembly polls work? Voters in Delhi Assembly elections, which will be held on February 8, will be entitled to digital photo voter slips containing QR codes for the first time. Voters can download their digital photo voter slip from Voter Helpline app available for Android and iOS smartphones. At polling booths, voters will be able to scan QR codes to mark their attendance. Toyota to build 175-acre smart city near Japan's Mount Fuji. Toyota has revealed its plans to build a 175-acre smart city near Japan's Mount Fuji. The woven city ecosystem would be powered by hydrogen fuel cells, have zero-emission and fully autonomous transport, sustainable housing with robots assisting residents in daily life, and sensor-based AI to monitor their health. It would let scientists test technology like robotics in a real-world environment. I said, I'll eat my D***** if Bitcoin doesn't hit $1 MN to get new users. McAfee 3 years after first saying that he'll eat his D**** on national television if Bitcoin doesn't hit $1 million by 2020 end. Computer programmer and businessman John McAfee has said that it was a trick. Eat my D*** in 12 months. A ruse to onboard new users. It worked, McAfee tweeted. Bitcoin was first, it's an ancient technology, he added.